So here we're gonna start with the demonstration of our ICU ventilator, model name as T5. So before starting the demonstration, we will look after the connectivity first. This connection is for 12 volt DC supply. Here battery is connected with the battery backup as 2 hours. This indication is for mains, and this indication is for battery charging. This connectivity is for gas supply. This is the main inlet for oxygen gas supply. These two tubes is for the airway pressure monitoring. This is the main fresh gas intake inspiratory port. This port is for ETCO2 monitoring. So we'll look after how circuit will get connected to the patient. So this is the circuit setup. This is the main fresh gas intake tube. This is connected to the expiratory valve. These two are the airway pressure monitoring tubes. It is connected over here, here and here, and then goes to the patient. Now we will start with the ventilation. To start the ventilator, press this power key once. Ventilator will get on.
An oxygen cylinder. Set ventilation mode and parameters.
So this is the main screen with 7-inch touchscreen display. In this, 2 patient applications can be used, pediatric as well as adult. This is the user selectable parameters. This is the monitored parameters. This is main graphical window in which pressure graph is displayed. Now we will look after the ventilation modes provided in this unit. So from here you can access the ventilation modes. So these are the list of the ventilation modes provided. Volume assist control, IPPV mode, volume SIMV, pressure control, pressure assist control, pressure SIMV, CPAP, manual mode and CPR. So now we will look after these options. So this is the alarms. This is the alarm windows which will display all the alarm limits. So from here you can adjust the particular alarm limits for the particular parameters. So using this rotary knob, you can adjust the alarm limits, higher, lower, and for the confirmation, press it once, and to save the changes, just use this option. Event option will display all the alarm history which has been already occurred. So this is the history given. This is a CPR option. CPR is cardiopulmonary resuscitation. It is used to give the emergency ventilation to the patient. So this is the CPR option.
Choose patient type.
So here patient selection window is given. 3 patients can be selected: neonate, pediatric and adult. So here I am selecting adult patient.
Control mode.
So 3 control modes are given: single, double and continue. In single control mode, for the 30 compressions, 2 breaths will be provided by the machine. In the double control mode, at 15 compressions, 2 breaths will be provided to the patient from the machine. And in the continue control mode, for the continue compressions, continue breath will be provided to the patient by the machine. Moving towards next option, ventilate. In ventilate window, overall ventilation parameters are given for the selected ventilator mode. For example, here volume assist control is selected. So overall parameters for the volume assist control ventilation mode is given over here. So to alter the parameter, just click it once and alter from this rotary knob. So you can alter like this, and for the selection, just press it once, and to save the changes, just click this. Moving towards this section, This is the main power key to turn on and turn off the ventilator. This is the alarm silence key. This is the lock and unlock key to lock the screen. So I am locking this. So here option will come, symbol will come here. The screen is locked for now, so I can't access anything on the window. So by unlocking it, I can access everything. So this option, this key is used for that. This is the manual key. It is used to give manual breaths to the patient. So here I am selecting manual. So in ventilate option, these options are given, so you can alter the parameters. I'm saving it. So through this I am giving manual ventilation. So this is how manual key works. This is the main menu key, and this options are given: ventilate, alarm, system settings, time settings, calibration, and about ventilator version. So we'll see alarm limit, alarm, in which you can adjust the volume of alarm and type of alarm, pulse or voice. So these are the system settings and given in this main menu key. So this is all about the ventilation. Now to put the machine in the standby mode, click this power key twice. So the machine is in now standby mode. Now the machine is in the standby mode. To come out from the standby mode, again press this power key twice. The ventilation will get on. Now to switch off the ventilator, press this power key for a long time. Ventilator is turned off. So now this is all about the demonstration for the ICU ventilator T5. Thank you.